To become a GWSPH Practicum Preceptor, you must first register in the Practicum system. To do so, go to publichealth-gwu-csm.simplicity.com. Now click on the Employer tab. When registering, you have the option to do the standard registration, or you could also submit a project proposal at the time of your registration. For the purposes of this training video, we will be doing the standard registration. Please keep in mind, if you decide to submit a project proposal at the time of registration, the proposal will not be visible to students until after your registration has been approved by a practicum director. First, click Sign Up. Now you can fill out the rest of the registration form. When you are finished with the registration, click Submit at the bottom of the page. Once your registration has been reviewed and approved by a practicum director, you will receive a welcome email with instructions on how to log into the system. If you have any questions about the registration process, please refer to the Preceptor Guidebook posted below for the appropriate contact information.